it's your girl Kay, and I'm coming back to you with another headband wig. Yeah, because I really love these wigs. I really love these headband wigs. This is like when you need to run a quick errand or something like that. That's the vibe that I'm getting right now. But I want you to stay tuned to check out the way I styled this wig. Of course, getting the headband wig to blend is like very easy. But just to show you guys some of the styles I did, I want you to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button below. Join the notification lamb squad. And you tell all your friends about me too, girl. And I love you very much. Thank you. The support is free. Thank you. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to show you how I styled this wig, and then I'll be right back. See you in a bit. This wig is very similar to the Jeanette wig, but this wig is longer, and this wig is more on the thinner side, but to me it's doable because it's a very natural fullness. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. This unit is from Outre Quick Weave, and this unit is called Stunna. I got this unit in the color 1B. And I really like this unit because the curl is very flirty, very cute. And I like this one because it's a longer length. But it is very soft, and I haven't gotten any tangling or anything like that. I prefer with this hair to wear it up in a pony like this. But this is very cute, and it's giving me a 90s vibe. All these half wigs I think are so essential because time is just so short, and it just seems like lately I don't have time like I used to be doing my hair all the time. And this could very well pass as being your hair, wearing it up like this, because it blends so perfectly. This unit is very soft, not much tangling or shedding at all, and it just looks better up to me because it's longer. When I think about this wig and comparing it to the Jeanette wig, this wig is better for wearing up because it is longer. Except for when you're talking about half up, half down, because that looks good on any length. But in terms of wearing it up like a pony or a bun, I prefer Stunna. But anytime we can save time, then I like to do that. So when I can find an easy hairstyle like this, I'm gonna wear it, okay? I'm gonna wear it a lot. And that's it. This wig is just fabulous. What do you really say? I mean, what do you say? They're just so convenient. I don't even know what else to say. They just slay. They're convenient. They're easy. Anybody can do it. You literally can do this with your eyes closed. Alright guys, so we're going to end this video now. If you are new, if you're returning, doesn't matter. I love you. Thank you for spending time with me. Tell everyone about my videos. Like the video because I know you like the hair. And comment down below. Let me know how you like this hair. What style did I do that you like the best? Alright, let a girl know. Hit me up on Instagram. The name is the same as it is here on YouTube, Kayla Joy. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you.